Greetings everyone, Jeremy Vinny here. Today we're going to talk about something that has been gaining popularity around the world. And it's not your typical tech gadget, but it's definitely something you'll find fascinating. We're talking about the DYU D3F folding electric bike. This is a game changer for city commuters who enjoy low intensity rides and anyone looking for a compact transportation solution. Now I want to make one thing clear. This bike is not for off-road. It's not for the mountains. This bike is geared towards commuters in the city with a flat terrain. Okay, let's dive into the unboxing and initial setup of the DYU D3F folding electric bike. As you know, I've unboxed a lot of tech, but this is a little different. Opening the package, we find the DYU D3F neatly packaged and secured in foam padding, ensuring it arrives without a scratch. Upon taking it out, you immediately appreciate the sturdy construction and sleek design. That dolphin-inspired aerodynamic form is definitely noticeable and adds a touch of elegance. The bike comes pretty much pre-installed. That means you won't need to pull out your toolbox or spend hours putting the thing together. The wheels, handlebar, and seat are all in place. All you need to do is unfold it and it's ready to go. It's a neat feature, especially for those who dread the process of assembly. Once you unfold the bike, it's a matter of adjusting the seat to your preferred height. Speaking of the seat, it's remarkably soft and broadened, providing an impressive level of comfort for your ride. And hidden within the handlebars are the cables for the electronic gear shift and the brake lines. A nice touch for those who appreciate clean lines and minimalism in their tech. This thoughtful design also reduces the chances of the cables getting damaged or snagged during your rides. Now, once everything is adjusted to your preference, don't forget to charge the bike to prepare for your first ride. Plug it into the power source and let it juice up for about 4 to 6 hours. The LCD display will help you keep track of your charging status. And there you have it. Unboxing and initial setup of the DYU D3F is a breeze. A testament to its user-friendly design and the company's attention to detail. For its price, the DYU D3F certainly provides a well-rounded package. Its seamless blend of compact design, power, and practicality could indeed make it a favorite among city commuters and biking enthusiasts alike. Now let's get into the specs. The DYU D3F comes equipped with a 38-volt 250-watt brushless motor, a reliable 10-amp lithium-ion battery, and sports 14-inch wheels, making it lightweight yet sturdy. It weighs about 39 pounds, making it easy to carry with its built-in handle, whether you're taking it on the subway, stashing it in your car, or storing it in your apartment. Now, one of the most noteworthy features of the DYU D3F is its foldability. This is a true game changer when it comes to electric bikes. It quickly and easily folds into a compact size, making it perfect for storage in the tightest of spaces. We're talking a car, trunk, closets, or even under the desk. If you're a city dweller, this means you won't need to worry about bike racks or leaving your bike exposed to the elements or potential thieves. This e-bike also has an impressive range. A full charge takes between 4 to 6 hours and can last up to 24.8 miles on pure electric power and extends to 24 to 31 miles if you use pedal assist. That's more than enough for most city commuters. An added bonus is the pedal assist and throttle controls, easily accessible right on your handlebars. With throttle speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, even without pedaling, you can keep up with traffic, ensuring you're never late for your appointment. The DYU D3F doesn't just focus on practicality and performance, it also takes aesthetics and user-friendliness into consideration. Hidden cables in the handlebars maintain a clean and sleek look, and an LCD display lets you know your battery level at a glance. Not to mention, it's fitted with a bright headlight and blinking taillight for those late-night rides, enhancing your safety on the road. Lastly, let's talk about comfort, because it matters, right? The DYU D3F comes with an upgraded soft and broadened high-end seat. The ergonomic seat, adjustable in height, ensures an extra comfortable ride tailored specifically for you. To wrap things up, the DYU D3F truly stands out as a practical, compact, and efficient e-bike, ideal for city commutes and low-intensity rides. It showcases a perfect blend of portability, convenience, and comfort. Alright folks, that's a wrap for our unboxing and initial setup of the DYU D3F electric e-bike. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.